Welcome back, Best Uni crew. It's your girl. So, of course, you know I always want to do something different. So, I want to make some earrings with my 3D printer. I'm trying to learn the different ways of the width and the heights and the way you can turn certain situations to make it 3D. But without using supports, I know sometimes you have to use support for a lot of different things. So some of these earrings might have to have support, some of them is not. I'm gonna try to make some flat and some that sits up. So the bamboo hoops that everybody be wearing with their names on it, that's what I'm going for. I'm gonna try to do that, and then I'm also gonna try to make dangling ones, which I have done before, but I want to see how this will turn out. Like I don't want them too big or too little either, but let's see. So this one, I'm just gonna use this name here. I went on Canva and got a font, and it's called Sloop or something like that. And I'm just gonna use my shapes. I'm using Silhouette Studios, and I'm just gonna try, and we're gonna see how it turned out. So, how you ever said? I'll do this shape here, and did I move it? I did. Okay. So we're gonna do this shape, and let's see how big that's like a two. Which is fine with me. I really don't want them big, like for real. So probably do like a 2.5 might be small, but three might be too big. So 2.5. We do both 2.5. Okay. And let's see. We'll take my name. At first, I gotta get this other little piece. This little thing here. I tried two different ways. I noticed like this other little video I seen that they make like the little pieces with it. So I guess I can do another little shape to be the other little piece here. If I do like a stud, then I'll probably do a hoop. And then make sure those are lined up even. It really wouldn't matter, but it does. We'll try that. And it'll be like I have this little hoop thing between it, like the jumbo hoop, jump hoop, or whatever you call it. I have it between those, and then I can either do like a stud behind it, or I can put a little hole here too and make it like a what you call it, a hanging earring. I'm gonna make it a little bigger, make it like a hanging earring. Okay. So my name, I duplicate it because I might do something else with it. Should go across it. Right? Maybe I need to pick another shape. I don't know about that one. Let's see. Let's do this one. I think I like the diamond shape. I don't like that either. May have to do it simply like a little circle. I'll have to do an offset behind my name because of the font that I chose. So let me do a baby offset just to have it to stick to something. Just go down a notch and say 4. I don't even want it to be noticed. It's for real. Hmm. I don't think I like that. So Josephine, I hang out too much. You gotta figure out a shape that'll look good with that Josephine, pretty much. I think a circle would be still about the same. Let's see. So do an offset on this one. Let's do, okay. Zoom in a little bit. Let's see. Still feel like that's a lot of offset. I just really don't want to see it for real. I'm gonna move this out the way, and we're going to make a compound path, release compound path rather, and we're going to delete the little pieces that's inside my name. Okay, do the same here, but I don't know if I want that one. Release. Let's see. You can't keep these either. So I got nothing to hold on to, so I can't keep none of the inside. So I gotta bring everything in like a piece at a time. So let's see how this, it'll be like this, but whatever color I choose for that background is gonna be that background. So let's just see. If I do, I'm gonna have to show you first. Let me just move this out of the way again. I'm gonna save this piece here. So I'm gonna make it a compound path, and I'm gonna change the color. No, okay, wait a minute. I want to weld this together. I think. Nope. What is it? Let's see. Oh, I get it because I didn't put these back together. Let me go back. Mm, let's see. Weld. Okay, so that's better. That's still not better because the offset is gone now. Hmm. Oh, I gotta think on that one. Let's see. If I guess I just had to bring it in. God, I did not want to do that. But if I bring this in as a whole, It's just gonna be a whole piece. So I will need to break an inner offset for this one. Let's see, offset, and we go to inner offset. And I guess we could possibly do. I kind of want them thin so you can be able to see. So I guess I'll do that. It's not too thick, you know. And I group those two together. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do. I don't think I should make it a compound path. Let's see what that do. Just okay. Well, we'll make a compound path. This one here I'm gonna have to save separately. So send this to the front, send to the back, whatever. Okay, so it'll look somewhat like this. Send it to the front. Send it to the front. Send it to the back. Okay. Send it to the back. Then try to line these two up. And then let's get this lined up first. Let's see. Okay, so all that seems to be lined up good. I just really don't know about this part of the back, and I don't think that's gonna be cute. And then, like I said, if I let's see, can I attach it now? Let's just okay. Let's see if we can attach that offset. But if we attach it, like, what is it gonna look like for real? So what are we supposed to weld? I guess I say weld. Oh, maybe if I make a compound. Let's see. Let's see. Make a compound path. No, because I still have to shade these in. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I think on that one. So for right now, hmm, right now, I guess I just have to run with that. And then try to figure out like something else when it comes to getting the logo inside out. But I ain't gonna be able to, like I said, I can't do that because it ain't got nothing to build on to. So I gotta think a little harder outside the box. But I guess that's a good thing. It ain't got nothing to build on to. If it's like, look, let me make sure I'm not tripping. Overthinking. So make compound path. So I think that'll be pushed out. Let me see. I know the color shouldn't make no difference, but it does for me, honey. I don't know why. The E will be pushed out of there. That will be pushed out. Let me see, can I get these compound pair? Okay, so let me see, can I think? I think this will be gone. Hmm. Stomach growler. Trying to think as I go. I know it can be done. I just can't think, and I be overthinking stuff. So, but I know it can be done. So I'm turning out these little pieces blue. Right, and them pieces blue, and let's see. Let's see. This one would be red, 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 red. Okay, I'm trying to think, y'all. Give me a second. I'm just changing everything because I'm like, I know it can be done. I'm overthinking it. So, um, will it be like? Let's see, blue, 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 blue. And let's see, can we? I think it should come out of red, yellow, right? Yellow. Okay, let's see. We're doing it right. What is it? Subtract. Yeah. Okay. 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 So blue, blue, red. Subtract. Let's see. Subtract. Right. I feel like I'm over guessing and overthinking this is so bad. Let's see. Red and yellow. Subtract. Right. Still got that piece in the middle though. That's gonna fall out. Hmm. Maybe I'm thinking too hard. Yeah, I guess it ain't that I can, I don't know, do about it. Fuck it, guess we both ain't shit. No, because they gotta be removed as well. Track. I might have to just keep some stuff. So let's say this, subtract. Am I doing it? Okay. Oh, nope. I'm gonna figure that out. Hold on, y'all. Same front. I don't want nothing but that one little piece. So I'm trying to deselect the box here. I just want this little piece that's right here. I just want this little piece. So I guess I had to change the color. Let's try this again. Send this to the front. And it shouldn't be like that either. But I guess I had to. Subtract. No. Let me try this. Subtract. Duplicate it. Let me duplicate it. Duplicate. Let's see. Hopefully that's in the right spot. Okay, so we're just gonna try here. So we're gonna do this. We'll read this other one from the red. Subtract. Go to subtract. Okay, so now we need to delete this blue from the yellow, which subtract. still feel like mm-mm. I need to do the same for the S, the O, the P, and I guess the J. We're just gonna have to try because at this point I really can't even remember how to, what goes what. Hope I'm making sense when I say I can't keep certain pieces because they'll fall out. So I'm gonna just do least compound path, right? And I am going to deselect this red here and need those pieces. I'm gonna duplicate those pieces, change it to a different color. Let's say green. Try to get them lined up as possible. Change those to something I can see. There we go, blue. And highlight each one. Try to get them even on top of each other. Might get too much space. Let's zoom in. I don't know. Still can't see for real, but it looks kind of even. If not, I don't think it really gonna matter, but we're gonna find out today. So all the green, I'm gonna deselect, subtract from the red, right? Subtract. Then we got blue. We should be able to subtract the blue. Subtract. Oh no, my bad. My bad. Subtract from the yellow. Okay. Okay. Gotta do this O2, so that deselect and this J. Let's subtract. We're going to subtract release compound path from the J and the O. Release compound path. And push make compound path. I'm going to push release. Release compound path. Okay, so now we just got to figure out what's what. So we'll grab the centers of each one. Change the color. Do green. And we're going to duplicate. And we're going to change the other color as you can see. And we're going to try to line it up as much as possible. Okay. And so now we're going to select the blue, subtract it from the red. And we're going to do the green, subtract it from the yellow. What did I just do? Did something wrong. Let me go back some steps. Okay. So that. subtract, select, select, select. Now the O ain't doing it right. This is a headache already. Okay, wait a minute. Hmm. Let's see. What am I doing wrong now? Blue, red, subtract. Yellow, subtract. Okay, so we subtract everything so far. I guess it's just gonna look like that, which just makes sense because the gold on earrings usually have something to hold on to the back of. So I think I'm still gonna have to save them separately in order to get a width and a height type situation. Because if I don't, then it'd be too flat. I try to save it like this first and see how it come over. But first, we need to make a little piece. So I think I'm gonna just do a little circle. But it seems like that's all I can do right now, honey. I don't want the circle to be too big. I'm gonna do two different styles because I wanted to see can it hang better with just a little piece that will be right there, and they can just put the little thing through. But yeah, so this one here, I'm gonna do. Let's see how big one width, one height type situation. That'll be too big. That's too big. I don't want it that big. We'll do put that down the way we had that. Like that. We'll do a 4, 5. Okay. Okay. So highlight both. I'm trying not to do. Let's see what you do with the name. Okay, yes, I thought it would do something different. So that part don't really have to be even. It's just the name need to be even for me. Make this red, of course. And I'm gonna have to put a little dot to be able to grab the hole up there and the hole down here. So I'm gonna do a little circle. And make sure my circle is like, let's do it might be a little small, might be a little too big. I really can't tell right now. Just change your color, which is gonna be yellow for sure. And put it here. And do another one up. I'm gonna duplicate it and then put it up top. Then make sure those dots are even. I gotta select both, holding down the shift button, and then I'm going to align both. Right Even though that looks like my circle's not even. We're just gonna go with that. I like it so far, and we're going to highlight the little dots and the red dot, and we're gonna make it a compound path. And this should look like that. The dots do look a little too big, but then I need to put a dot here. Yeah, I didn't think about that part. Let's see, my dot gonna be big enough. Let's make a little dot go there. I want to make it too big. Let's see. It's gonna have to go down a little notch. Let's see how this play out with the dot. Might be too small, but we won't know until we try. So let me zoom in. I'll make it a little bigger. I had to make the dot a little smaller. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing for real. I just be trying stuff. So let's go to 480. 40. Okay, so that's pretty small. Now these look pretty damn big, but they used to compound pair, but we really don't know if they too big or not. I'm gonna make them just a tad smaller. Down to like 7. And we know what we print one. So we delete this one. Duplicate this one. Bring it down. Try to get them even. I'll change the color. I can't see shit. So I need all 3 of those to be even. Because when I line this little circle thing up, it needs to line up with the earrings. Let's see. Do this, move it over just a tad. And then take all your dots and try to line them up. Okay. Like I said, we won't know until we try some. Okay, so I got those. Did go on them. I'll bring that one down just a tad. Bring that one up maybe just a tad. Like this is not even. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight this, and I'm going to right click and try to get just the yellow and the red dot, make it a compound path, and then send it to the back. Okay, and then do the rest. The compound path. Okay, oh, child, the ghetto. Okay, we're gonna delete this one. We ain't gonna worry about that. My head's starting to hurt now. I'm gonna delete this too. I'm gonna highlight this one, move it up some, and I'm gonna duplicate it because I'm gonna try another little thing too. Okay. So duplicate, bring it down, bring it over here. I'm gonna duplicate it again when I get to the other little piece I'm trying, just to see which one will come out better than, you know. So I'm gonna release the compound path on this one. Yellow. Damn, it brought back a lot. And I'm just going to delete this little dot. I'm gonna try to anyway. Dot. Yeah, I know. I just realized I did all that work, and then all I had to do was Let me see. Let me see. Select the yellow. No, I ain't gonna do it with that one. Select the yellow. And I bet if this work, I bet a lot of y'all was screaming at the damn TV. I mean, at the camera. Like, Josephine, all you had to do was blase. Hold the shift button down. I'm holding the lock button, Lord. I don't know what I did again. So hold on the yellow. And I ain't select yellow everywhere because I ain't want it to mess with the other one over there. I wasn't thinking when Patrice did a video a while back showing how to do this, and I be fucking up. And I don't be paying attention, but I be paying attention. Hey, compound path. Y'all, oh my goodness. But anyway, hey, we learned something together. Shit, leave it alone. Okay, so go here, and then I will just make like this little circle thing here. And it can be just a little piece that go, through the dangly thingy. Let's see if it's even. So you want to make sure it's even with the yellow. If it'll line it up like that, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, no. I'm supposed to. Okay, no. We just gotta kind of eyeball it and try to get it even as possible. I'll be taking your ass all the way around the world. I don't think until I fuck up a couple times though. They come from path. It's in the bag. Okay, I got my hair here. Whew. Okay, so we're going to delete the red. We're gonna go up here. Let's go up here and make all the red. Shit. I guess I have to do it like this because I don't want all of it coming in some kind of way, and it's hard to do sometimes. Yeah, compound path. Okay. Red. Compound path. Okay. So I'm just going to delete the red. First, I'm going to. Oh Lord, that one didn't do it. Compound path. Okay. I'm going to make a copy of both. I don't know what I done did. The reason why, the blue line right there. So the earring size is like 2 by 2, almost like a 3.3 type situation. They're gonna be small. We're just gonna run with it though. So we're gonna have to highlight everything, really remove that red line. I don't think you have to, but you know how that go. We see better. And we're going to save everything separate, like the Josephine. Let me put that back. Everything need to stay even because if I move it and I try to bring it over to that 3D software and it's moved, it's gonna be hell and hot water for me. It'll come in uneven. So we're gonna delete those. Save these. Save as. What you gonna say? Cho. And SVG. Right. And come back. Delete the yellow. I don't know what that blue thing is, y'all. I pray it ain't messing nothing up though. Okay. So I'm gonna take it over to Tinkercad. Upload them. Let's see how they turn out. Okay. Now I got everything. I'm gonna bring everything over here, and I'm going to make sure everything look like I need it to look. Them holes look a little small, but girl, we ain't gonna worry about that. We just need to see if we can print. Bring them down real small because I don't want them too thick. Too thick. Let's say 0.044. Zone. Still seems like it got a little something to it. I don't like heavy earrings, so let's see how this play out. Bring them up some. I had to raise the pink up some just to get it up at the bottom. Tear it up. It's a little tall. Not too bad. Just make sure it's sitting down onto the. Okay, it's too. Let's sit down in there. Okay. Just trying to shut it at the bottom. I don't want that. So that means they are too thin. Try to raise them up a little bit. Oops. No, that's 6. Good. 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 We'll get our pink back and raise it up a little bit. Let's see. Let me sit down there. I don't want them inside the thing because then I know when to print. So I'm gonna turn this solid into a hole and it'll tell me how far that pink is sitting up in there. Not sending that as far as I would need it to go, so we're gonna have to make it a little deeper. 0.15. That's good. You see the shadow of it. It's showing it sitting in there. Okay, so I'm just going to give them a little short. 0.2. We just do that. Not too bad. Turn it back to solid. And what's the whipping height on the brown is not too bad. Hopefully they're not too thick either. I don't want it too thick. Damn print time be forever with the thickness. We're just gonna try. Let's just see how it goes. I'm just gonna export it, turn it to STL. Okay. Let's preview. Push it on the top and then go there. I hope it don't be a long time. Okay, that's not too bad. So it's kind of scary because that means they're super thin. We're gonna hope for the best and hopefully they print. May help probably, but we're gonna find out. We gotta figure out when to switch the colors. Okay, so around 15. We switch the colors around 15. Okay, so let's just pray that they're not too thin. They look a little thin now that I'm looking at them, boy. God. So let's go. Okay, so I think I messed my printer up because my I was redoing the filament for the different colors. I pray I didn't, y'all, but it was just making a weird noise that I never heard make it. I pray I didn't jam it, but I was trying to change the colors I extruded. Then I made a mistake and pushed the rest track again, and then I didn't make sure I don't know, I didn't do something right, but then I made a mistake and tried to unlock it and it was stuck, and I got the scissors and I popped the thing open and I moved the print head, I guess you would call it. And but anywho, it does work. It's just I didn't get the color I wanted on them. So the other one was too thin. The one we was gonna do the two pieces with the hole and all that. One of them broke in half. So the little hole was too small. I need to make that thicker. This one, it did it, but it's still thin. It looked like it probably would break still. And then the hole is too little. But the hole on here is perfect. So I'm just gonna put some little stuff in them, like the jump rings and stuff like that. This is what they look like. They don't look all that in the back of the Doritos because I messed that goal up. But I am gonna redo them, hopefully. And hopefully I didn't tear my print up, y'all. I'm gonna be crying. But let's see what they look like. I'm gonna find the hole, girl. I ain't good with putting it in the hole, honey. We twist that thing and make it go like on the right side. But so far, this is what they look like. Hope they cute. But I'm gonna keep trying. But so far, I got an idea, so that's good. So what we're working with won't work, but so far that looks good to me. And I am gonna reprint them. And I'm probably doing them in a different color. So y'all make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Let me know how I did. Y'all have a blessing.